guys, Akshat Gupta here, and let me show you a quick demo video of VoiceGPT AI. So first of all, this is the world's first ChatGPT for powered cloud-based platform that generates unique high quality content and converts it to real human emotion based voices and even audiobooks with a few clicks. So let me show you. First of all, this is the dashboard of VoiceGPT AI, and if you want to change your password or change your details, then just click on profile. As you can see here, you can change your name, you can change your password here. So let me show you how you can generate content using AI. So here it is. So first, name of your product, like money marketer, and that describe your product, like how to make money online. And here is the unique feature. This is select tone, like which type of content you want, like friendly, luxury, relax, and there are so many other categories as you can see. So if I am click friendly, then just click on generate. Now content is being generating. Okay, so the content is generated now, and you can edit here, like if you want to add more content. So this is how you can make money online, and just click on save like this, and just copy this. You can delete this content. If you don't like the content, then just delete simply here. If I copy, or you can and you can export here as well. And here's the list. I have already created one content, and here one more. So there are the two options, grid and list, like this. Okay, so you can also view your content here. And now let me show you how you can convert this content into voice. So here are the voices, and there are almost 300 plus voices including male and female to choose from. Also there are 100 plus languages, and they all are international languages you can choose from, and you can choose anything for generate your voiceover. So just paste your content here. I have already generated the content, and I have pasted the content here. You can also write your content here, and now you can select emotions as well, like here are the emotions.
Good evening, I'm Guy. With my professional and authoritative voice, I can help you deliver your news
Correct.
with
Here are the
clarity and
emotions,
precision.
like if you want this text in angry mood, cheerful, excited, friendly, hopeful, sad, many more. So first let me convert it to excited. Okay, now just click here.
Hey, it's Guy! Let me use my excited voice to make your message sound enthusiastic and energetic.
Okay, so this is how you can generate. Now click here. So now the content is generated successfully, and the voice is here. Just click on download. Now you can see.
Hey everybody! We'd like to introduce you to Money Marketer, the newest way to make money online. With Money
So
Marketer,
as you can see, you can compare it to your old robotic voices, and this is the human based voices. This is very unique feature that nobody is giving in other apps. So this is how you can create the voiceovers of emotions, and there are so many emotions, like female as well.
Hi, I'm Jane. I can convert your text to a human-sounding voice.
Like shouting.
Hello, I'm Jane. Let me use my loud and forceful voice to help you grab your listeners' attention and make
So
your
as you can
message
see,
heard.
there are so many emotions and so many voices. Now let me show you how audiobooks works. So first click on generate. Now there are so many voices. To generate your audiobooks, just paste your content here. click any voice like this and just click on generate. Now as you can see, the audiobook is generated successfully. Now just download and you can.
Hey everybody! We'd like to introduce you to Money Marketer, the newest way to make money online. With Money Marketer,
So this is how you can generate audiobooks, and there are so many done for you articles. It's almost 1 million articles which comes with PLR license, so you can sell them directly to your clients, or you can use for your business or website or anything. So this is how VoiceGPT works. So let me show you in a brief again. Like, you can generate content, you can generate human based voices, you can create audiobooks, and there are so many done for you articles. So this is how VoiceGPT works. So thank you.